Welcome, this is another video how to using the PTZ functionality of the cloud. We're using in this case a Move PTZ combo camera which is mounted in Jakarta and reachable over our MOBOTIX demo account. To enable the PTZ functionality, first step is to pressing here on that white crosshair. By clicking on that, it's getting green. And then you have enabled the PTZ functionality. Yes, you can do some manual PTZ control tries. For that you need to press probably on the left side to force a movement to the left side with a small delay by clicking. I have pressed before 2 times. And then it's getting 2 movements to the left side. The same you can do if you press once on the right hand side, then it moves on the right hand side after a short delay. The best way is to using the PTZ functionality with stations. We have defined here a few stations, and we call one the gates, we call another the Zoom terrace, the terrace of the neighbor. And there you can really drive fast to the point of interest via presets of the stations. And this is the fastest way to access and drive and control the PTZ unit. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.